Oh, hi everyone. Cream Brown Henry. I got this on Saturday, or I got it in a job lot from car boot sale. There was about, I think roughly 17 Henrys and one George, one NV200 from 1999. It's a red George. So yeah. Most of the Henrys were UVS, and of course you'd probably expect most of them were rocker switch actually, and one had no cable but the rest were all arcing and dead. So we'll see if that one works without the cable, but doubt it. And there were a couple of push button UDS. One worked but had very crappy bearings and almost sounded like I wanted to die. And one was actually working properly, it just needed a new switch and a fan clean. So yeah, and this came with it. So they all came from the same place, all from a cleaning company. And they've all been serviced by some crappy guy, which I do not recommend going to. You'll probably see it in the George video when I make it, because I've left a sticker on there. Some crappy guy, he's literally wrecked this Henry. I mean, you probably might not be able to notice because I've actually refurbished it. And he's a service guy and actually hasn't refurbished it. One thing that is ruined, well, is the handle. They've probably got to its flaky stage and they must have put a black handle on it. Second thing is that the threads are completely gone. They've literally been pulled, snapped, all that. So that's a shame. And second thing, it's got brown balls, wheels in it, and it's got, and if you can probably see in here, that's black. I mean the cable's brown and the plug. I found it in a 1993 Henry. And right upstairs I'm about to service, so the ball and the brown rewind might be sitting in another Henry that I got in the shed somewhere, but you know, otherwise it looks quite nice. I mean it is faded, unfortunately, like you could probably tell in that patch. That's non-faded, that is faded. So, you know, I mean, it's my first Cream Brown Henry, so I can't really complain, but, you know, you can never get a perfect Cream Brown Henry, unless you like Robin, shout out to him, or Jackson, aka Hoover Master. But yeah, this has its original face, brown stickers. Bit tacky, but, you know, it's alright for an old Henry. It's from 1990, this one, which makes it an oldie. I had to rip it off because it was just all flaking and peeling and everything. This was put in a dodgy place. This was like bent and up there. So I've just rearranged it. I think I've done it right. Don't know, but you know. Found this in the back of the quad rewind, so pulled it front. It is pretty scratched up, I'm not gonna lie. It's, I mean, for the fact that it's been used in a cleaning business, I mean, yeah, it's pretty rough. That's looks like it's been, the guy's probably serviced it and has tried to pull it and everything. In there, pretty clean. Have washed it out because it was really dirty. Motor runs fairly nice, but it is just very worn. Very worn. I mean, motor's actually in okay condition. It's had new carbon brushes in the past, but the even these new carbon brushes in it are very worn. And yeah, I mean, I did get this Henry dead at first. What it was just missing a cable. So what it was, I think, with this, because it was probably old that they thought, which it is old. And so, they put the cable in the 93 Henry. And probably because, well, it's really worn, it's old, so they thought they might have write it off and shove it in a cupboard. So yeah, and it's been dead ever since. Until I brought it back to life. I mean, they couldn't have chopped off the cable because, well, here it is, right here. So yeah, anyway, enough chit chat, let's get on and look inside. Now, I did have another 88 Henry, you've all seen it, I just haven't made another video and sold it on. It also came with brown clips, but they are much more distorted. So yeah, I'm scared of doing that now because this is surviving on one good pin. So it's cleaned up, okay-ish. I mean, at the top it's alright, but down here it's just still stained. Yummy tea stain. And I don't think these are stretched out that much, but still I don't want to risk it getting jammed in the hands. In here, new bag. I've just refurbished this today. And it's already leaked out dust. Wow. Now we know these red apples are crap. So yeah, this is actually pretty faded. So in here is cream. Out here's white. Cream. White. Under here is pretty faded under there too. I mean, that's probably down to because it's been left out in the rain. Because the guy did say he's left it outside in the rain. Otherwise, this Henry would have been a very nice Henry in my collection. I've got some really vintage Henrys, or Numatics and Henrys that I want to show you later on, but I haven't got the time to, and this is just a quick video. I'm gonna get new casing for this. Lettering is meh. I mean, you're never gonna get perfect lettering with this sort of Henry. Let's just straighten that up. Put it on the floor. Yeah, looks a lot more nicer. Wheels are okay for its age. The fact that it's been used a lot for its life. Not worn much. Or yeah, I have polished them. So yeah. This had a proper thorough clean. I've stripped the fans out, stripped the motor, cleaned the armature, blown it out with an NB300. Spoiler alert. You'll be seeing that soon. Now, I would have come with these tools, but obviously a brown hose, brown tubes, short cuff. I mean, this is actually a shorter one. This came off an NVQ250, which I'll show you as well soon. It would have come with this floor tool, but in cream. I mean, you've seen this floor tool before. A lot more chewed than last time, than you saw it. I had a new pickup strip though. It was just really manky. So yeah. What was it to say really? It's a Henry. Pretty nice though, to see it in cream and brown. I do like the look of these, even though if they're faded, they look really nice. For some reason, the coil rewind is actually really smooth. I wouldn't say smooth, but it's smooth for its age. I'll clean that properly. I'll clean that up later. Anyway, I'll turn it on. Now, for a 1000 watt motor, and the fact that it's heavily used, this is very powerful. Like, for a 1000 watt, this has what? Better suction than my UDS rocker switch, I think. Actually, yeah, no, it does. and that's 1100 watt. This is 1000 watt. But anyway, I'll run it for you. Motor bearings are okay-ish. Top bearing's quite mint, but bottom one needs greasing. But yeah, otherwise for a warm motor, that runs fairly smooth. I didn't really turn it on that long because the fact that it's 11 o'clock, coming up to 12 actually, I think. I don't know. It's still late, but yeah. I don't really want to keep it on for that long. Let's put that back there. That's what I hate about these. When these go all the way back, they lose their stickiness. But they always feel sticky here for some reason. Just ironic. Now, I want to make a proper video of my Green George, as you didn't really see it properly, I suppose. Actually, I don't think I've uploaded a video of that, have I? I don't know. Have I uploaded it? I don't think you've seen it. I think I might have made a video, but I must have deleted it. Because the suppressor blew up in the video. I'm not sure. I'll see you later, but if you have seen it, I'll probably make a video on it again, because I do have wet tools for it now. And I've got another George coming on the way, which you'll be seeing maybe tomorrow, actually, because I'm picking that up tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.